we help to reduce operator cycle time and variance by taking the following data-driven actions. One, we leverage our platform to provide real-time visibility into cycle time performance throughout the entire workday and across entire shifts. Two, we're identifying the average cycle time performance across the team while identifying top and bottom performers. We're also looking at how the actual cycle time compares to those that are engineered or estimated by your team. The third way is we're using the motion data to understand how some workers' technique allows for better cycle time, and then to incorporate this into the training program going forward. Last, we look at downtime in the overall process by identifying when workers are not performing tasks, how balanced the line is, and gaps in between workers that can be